Okay guys, next we're gonna get on that Regent cruise ship over there. Psych. It would be nice, but no. So we are here at the Santa Apolonia train station. This is what she looks like. There you go, Santa Apolonia. And we got off out of our Uber, walked this way. And when you enter the station, it's a small station, guys. Like, you're not going to get lost. As soon as you walk in, there's the board right there with all of the train destinations and times and lanes. So we are going to be getting on the train that departs at 12 to Porto Portugal, which is departing out of lane 1. So there we go. That 12 o'clock train to Porto Portugal, station lane 1. That's us. It is currently, oh, there you go. It's currently 11, what's that, 16, 17? So there's the ticket line. If you need tickets, we already bought ours online. You literally walk through those doors and there are the trains. So since we're early, and we haven't eaten yet, if you walk around here to the left, number one, you've got lockers. If you want to drop your stuff off and go outside, there's a cafe literally right out there. But there's also a cafe in the station. So if you walk this way, ta-da, and bathrooms, there's like little gift shops. There's a cafe. There's places where you can eat. There's also more screens with information about the departures. ATM machine. So we're walking this way. You're going to go down this hallway. There's a waiting room if you have a long time. And at the end of this, you're going to see the cafe on the right-hand side. And then the waiting room is right here on the left. So there you go. And Jason is hanging out over there. So we actually went in here. We got the sandwich. The ham and cheese sandwich is amazing. And we're just waiting for our train now. Okay, guys. So we just finished eating our breakfast. And we're entering the platforms. We're on line 1. But if you look, there's 2 signs up here that will tell you which direction to go to get to your lane. So we're going to go to the left, because we're on lane 1. So we're heading that way now. Alright guys, so we just walked down this platform and this is lane 3. I guess this is 2 and then 1's on the other side over there. So we're gonna go over here.
It looks like the train's here.
Yeah, it looks like our train is here. So we're gonna go ahead and get on it, hopefully. Yep, lane 1. We're gonna zoom in there. And here's our sign that says Porto Portugal, noon departure. All right, so here's the train.
It's not a bullet train, right?
It's supposed to be pretty fast.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, it's, I think, one of the fastest train they have. So, all right, and they have little vending machines and things. Lots of trash cans. There's bathrooms everywhere. All right, let's see if we can get on.